Bueno. Thank you, Mr. Whitney. Appreciate your help as always. Hey, Gary. Hey, Anak. Good to see you guys. So is this a nightly feature, I guess I'll call it, from Cowboys Camp? Oh, wow. Hey, Hanak. I mean, I'm doing great, my brother. I can't complain at all. Hey, Kyler. We're doing good, man. And the heat is what's going on somewhat, but I'll tell you, we're also looking at the Gulf tonight for our next possible system. Good Wednesday night to you, to yours. Blessings to you and to yours of God's peace, and I hope He keeps you and blesses you tonight. Bill Taylor here, Ken's 5 Digital Center. Blue is the color, I'm telling you. This is one of my favorite shirts, by the way. This was a Carry to Load shirt from a few years ago. Check out the back of it. Yeah, I love this shirt. One of my faves. Carry to Load is the Memorial Day event that we were a part of a couple of years ago, and it still moves through San Antonio. They go across the entire country, and they they end in Dallas. But it's a walk across the entire country for Memorial Day. You're carrying the load of a fallen member of our military that lost their life serving our country. So whose load are you carrying? Kind of a question that you ask each other. Hey, Terry, felt like an oven. Yeah, when is some rain rather coming? Well, maybe this weekend. So highs today and yesterday, 99 in San Antonio. That's 2 days in a row at 99. We still have yet to hit 100 this summer. Remember, we've had 3 100-degree afternoons, and those were all in May, which is spring. 101 Pleasanton, Floresville, Gonzales at 100. 102s at Pearsall and Cotulla were the hottest on the map. And I'm expecting about the same again tomorrow. Let's check the feels like. Even at this hour, the heat index is still kicking for some of you. It's still near 100. It's still 101 Del Rio, and it's still 99s down I-35, 98 Gonzales, 94 Seguin and San Antonio. So, yeah, really warm night. At least the wind helps when we get to this point. Hey, Tanya Copeland from Nevada. Awesome. Hope you're doing that. Speaking of heat, I bet it's hotter out there, or at least this hot, right? So a slight chance by Friday, Kyler. Thank you, Tanya. Hey, Gina, what's going on? Susan's here in Texas listening. No, nothing like that, Kyler. No big chances. Only isolated showers are in the forecast, really, to speak of. So dew points are going to remain high. Going to show you the next 24 hours with a good Fetch from the Gulf of Mexico. Dew points will remain around 70, sometimes dipping to the mid-60s in the afternoon hours. But either way, flaring right back up early in the morning. Yeah, I bet in Cotulla, only 88 out there. Oh, that's nice. And it's dry. It's a good dry heat in Nevada. So mid-level low, you can see exiting to Oklahoma, opening up just a bit. But look at the increase of moisture on the right side of your screen. This is the Gulf of Mexico's, excuse me, we had a good tropical wave that's developing, and then we have out ahead of it a little disturbance that's putting some rain down in southeast Louisiana. The tropical system that the National Hurricane Center has put a tag on. Oh, we did have some showers out to the west of Del Rio. I had an eye on those earlier. Just emerging out over the open waters of the northeastern Gulf. So it moved across northern Florida, and it's just an area of thunderstorms right now that has about a 10% chance of developing into Tropical Storm Dexter. That's the yellow shaded area, expecting it to drop into that region of the Gulf, which the farther south it trends, the better as far as development and a more conducive environment. It's got to get away from the northern coast, you know. It's got to get away from the shallow water, the friction of land, and what would inhibit development. No, probably not heavy, Kyler. Hey, Lake Canyon levels. Canyon Lake was about 63% full. Last check, Ida. What's this about the weather not on the forecast and it rained in Eagle Pass? On the forecast and it rains in Eagle Pass, Sylvia. I'm not sure, Sylvia. It's not raining now in Eagle Pass, I know that. All right. So one thing's for sure, even if this doesn't become Dexter, it will be a good supply of moisture. Look at that. I mean, this is a kind of precipitable water that, and you can see how it's towards that tropical, that it starts heading in. This is the kind of stuff that can drop a couple inches to 3 inches of rain, especially Louisiana, southeast Texas, where you see those deeper reds and oranges. And moving into South Texas, I mean, it really starts to thicken up pretty much on Saturday. Saturday's going to be the best rain chance because of that. An hour from Tahoe. Nice. So is that where you live, or is it just going to be a, hello, Denise, a vacation? Hey, James. Guess it's good I haven't gotten my saws out of the car yet. Your saws. I guess. I'm not sure what that means. Okay, let's see what we've got heading into Friday. So no changes tomorrow. We'll start with the cloud cover early, break out the sun, upper 90s. Then as we get into Friday, now we start seeing some rain out to the east. Now, how far west these showers get, according to the model, about Gonzales, and that'll be it. Hallettsville, Cuero, Victoria, and that's it. So that's why Saturday we get another good surge, probably a better chance of getting some rain. Ah, chainsaws. Were you up in Kerrville? That's awesome, James. Saturday night might be, Kyler. Might have a chance. Retired, lived between Arkansas and Nevada. Oh, good for you. That's awesome. All right, so these will be minimal chances. We're not looking at a really high probability of rain, but that could change tomorrow. I want to see, you know, what the high-res data says for Saturday that we can really count on. And tomorrow's the day that we really would know if we can take Saturday up to a higher chance, and also what time of day Saturday's got the best chance. Lingering showers going to be available Sunday, then we'll drop chances and start seeing the heat return. Upper 90s is where we'll go back to, because remember, when that tropical humidity comes in, that'll bring down the temperature a few degrees. When that dew point goes up and there's more water in the air, the atmosphere can't get as hot. Remember, with more water in the air comes more evaporation, and evaporation is a cooling process. So when evaporation is occurring, temperatures won't get as high. Sylvia, we had a thunderstorm Eagle Pass last night, and it was not. Oh, I see what you're saying. Yeah, there was out to the south and west. It actually, if you were watching me early, 4, 5, and 6 showed a decent chance and coverage of that rain that we got last night. Hey, Megan. Middle of September. Yeah, when we start getting a cold front, right? Just stay tuned. When we get that first cold front, you make plans on coming back, Tanya. Absolutely. All right, that's going to wrap things up, guys. From the Ken's 5 Digital Center, I'm Bill Taylor. I love you all. God bless you, and hope to see you at 10.